Let's make some breakfast this morning. We got sausage and potatoes, and we're going to make biscuits and gravy. It's just going to be an easy day. Okay, we got our skillet warming up. It should be ready to go right now. We've got 10 inches of snow from the other day. Now, it's been snowing 2 more days since then, so I'm telling what we got now. It'll be 12 minutes before the sausage gets done, 6 minutes on each side. Okay. Our skillet for our taters ought to be done. Heating up. We just had melted butter in there when I made glazed donuts last night from homemade. Let's see if our skillet's ready. Yeah, it is. We drained all the water out until it all run clear. Now, by cooking your taters this way, you don't have to peel them. You don't have to cut them up. It's all done for you. And you can fry them, or you can bake them, or you can make them into mashed potatoes. I've done it all like that with just canned potatoes. And it's cheaper than buying a sack of potatoes. Right now, you can't afford food prices right now. And if you got a low budget, it ain't going to hurt you to buy canned food to cook with. Okay, we'll be back with you in a few. We got the TV on in the background. We're going to make some biscuits. You're going to need 1 cup of flour. Okay, it's at 1 cup. Okay. Now we're using all-purpose flour. So you're going to need some baking powder. You're going to need a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, you're going to need a teaspoon of salt. You're going to need some kind of oil or butter or whatever. You're going to need some milk. Okay, let me get some milk. At least 1/3 of a cup of milk. You're going to need at least 1/3 cup of oil or butter or whatever you want to use. Okay, you're going to need some water. You're going to need to put your oven on 450. Let it heat up. Then you're going to bake them from 10 minutes, then turn them over another 3 to 5 minutes. And we're going to make just regular old throw together biscuits. We're not going to shape them nothing. We're just going to get a fork or a spoon and start putting them on our pan. Make sure you grease your pan. That way your biscuits don't stick. Got flour all over mine. I ain't gonna hurt it none. Okay, we'll be back with you when we get ready to stick the biscuits in the oven. Here's our biscuits. Food City gravy. And it's got 4 grams of carbs for 1 1/3 tablespoon. For the gravy, you're going to need 1 cup of water or milk, either one. And we're going to use milk. Put about 2 teaspoons of pepper, because you want a lot of pepper. Okay, and that's all we're going to do. We're going to heat it up, and that'll be done here in a little bit. As soon as the biscuits gets done, we'll be ready to eat. Time to turn the taters over. Now, when they get done, put a little bit of salt and pepper on them. That's all you need. Or put your sausage gravy over top of them. Either one. Okay. We got our sausage grease in there. We're going to save every bit of it to make sausage gravy with. Every time you cook sausage, save it where you can make sausage gravy. It don't give you much, but every time you do it, you can save it and put it in the refrigerator, and you can make sausage gravy. All you need to make sausage gravy with is 3 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of grease, and then milk. And there you got sausage gravy. Okay, let's check on our biscuits. It's been 14 minutes. Now let's turn them over. And cook them another 5 minutes. Been 10 minutes, not 14. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about today. Okay, another 5 minutes and make it 15 minutes altogether. Now let's stir the gravy. We got it on low, or medium, I mean. The taters are almost done. Everything will be coming together here in a second. As soon as the biscuits gets done. Now, them little packs of gravy I showed you, the sausage gravy, they was only $1 a pack. So that's why we buy them. If they're over that, we don't buy them. Or sometimes we go down there at Food City and we get them for 69 cents a pack. And then we really stock up on them then. We buy 20 or 30 packs of them. And that makes an easy breakfast for you. Now, this week I went to Walmart and we bought a 25-pound bag of all-purpose flour for $9. So that'll make plenty of meals. All you need is some baking powder and some salt to make it like self-rising flour. This will be done as soon as it gets thickened up. Biscuits are done. Now take your biscuits, crumble them up. Okay, this is how we're going to eat it. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Please like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.